In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to change language on Perplexity AI. Whether you're learning a new language or prefer using your native one, switching takes only a moment. We'll do it right from the website, and I'll share a few tips so you know exactly what to expect as you go. First, open your browser and go to Perplexity AI. You can use any modern browser, just make sure your connection is stable. If you're already on the site, great. Stay on the home page or any page where you can see the main sidebar. This process works whether you're signed in or browsing as a guest, and you don't need to start a new thread to change the interface language. If you have an account, language preferences typically stay attached to your profile, so future sessions on the same login remember your choice. Look down to the bottom left corner of the screen for your profile icon. Depending on your setup, it might show your avatar, initials, or a generic user symbol. Click it to open the account menu. On smaller screens, you may need to expand the sidebar or tap a menu icon first. You're looking for the same profile button in the lower area. This menu is where Perplexity keeps personal preferences and settings, including the option we need. Inside that menu, find and select language. The label is straightforward, and it opens a dedicated panel for language choices. This section controls the interface text and can also influence how results and prompts are presented. If the list is long, scroll to see all available options. Some versions include a small search field to quickly locate your language by name or region, which can be handy when the list is long. Take a quick moment to confirm you're in the correct section before making a selection. Now choose your preferred language by clicking on it. As soon as you pick one, Perplexity applies the change, and you should see menus, buttons, and system messages update almost instantly. If something doesn't refresh right away, give the page a second or two, or refresh the tab to nudge it. You can always return to the same language screen and switch again later. Your chats and history stay intact. You're only changing how the site talks to you. If you work in multiple languages, this makes it easy to match the interface to your current task. That's all there is to it. You've changed the language on Perplexity AI in just a few clicks. If this helped, feel free to replay any section while you make the change yourself, and enjoy using Perplexity in the language that fits you best.